Hey, what's going on, guys? I've been camping. Been watching some Real Man videos. Real Man and Napalm Tom and Hottest Dude on the Tubes and Monk. Everybody's posting videos. But anyway, I'm at camp and I needed to show you my supper. Sorry, Real Man, I didn't catch any turtles or any catfish today. So I gotta barbecue some shit, and here it is. Get some tater salad. You gotta have your tater salad. You get some ribs. I'm gonna enjoy that with a Bud Light. Alright. I'm going to go fishing tomorrow, Real Man. I'm gonna put a video up for you, buddy. Later.